Topic is gold market in India. Group number 18, class SYBF, subject FC3. Gold holding in India. India has the world's largest private gold in holding. 2,000 tons in India, 16,000 tons in China, 8,133 tons in USA. Different way to buy and invest in gold. Jewelry. To purchase jewelry and own jewelry which self to invest in gold by purchasing jewelry is traditional form, but owning it in the form of jewelry has its own concern about safety, high cost and outdated designs. Gold coins scheme. Gold coin can be bought from jewelry banks, non-banking finance company and now even e-commerce websites. Gold saving scheme. Gold or jewelry saving scheme allow you to deposit a fixed amount every month for the chosen tenor. When the term ends, you can buy gold at a value that is equivalent to the total money deposited, including a bonus amount. Paper gold. Gold exchange traded fund. An alternative way of owning paper gold in a more cost effective manner is through a gold exchange traded fund. Such investment happen on stock exchange with gold as the underlying assets. Sovereign gold bonds. Sovereign gold bonds is like a paper gold, but it is issued by government. Government open window for the fresh sales of CGB to investors. This could typically happen every 2-3 months, and window will remain open for about a week. Digital gold. Now we can purchase gold coins, bars and jewelry online. Digital gold is offered on mobile wallet platform of payment is offered by the Stock Holding Corporation of India on their website, while Motolite also has launched Me Gold, a digital gold online investment.
Factors affecting the gold price. Inflation. Inflation is responsible for increase in the price of goods and services, can have a significant impact on the gold price. Inflation usually is directly proportional to the change in the price of gold to currency going down. Interest rates. Interest rates and gold price traditionally have an inverse relationship under normal circumstances. That is, with increased interest rate, people usually prefer selling gold to earn high profit. Indian jewelry market. Gold is an integral part of Indian culture. Gold is used during the elaborate wedding ceremonies, to embellish oneself with a jewelry during the important festivals like Diwali. Gold holds a special place in Indian household. Government reserve. The Reserve Bank of India holds gold reserve along with the currency, and when RBI begin to buy more quantity of gold than it sell, it result in the increase of gold price. This is due to the increase in the cash flow in the market while there is an insufficient supply of gold. Protection from uncertainty. People usually prefer to invest or buy gold as an asset. When there is a volatility in the market, the value of a gold remains stable in the long run and is thus looked at the favorable option when the other assets lose their value. Geopolitical factor. Any movement in the price of a gold globally affect its price in India, considering India is one of the largest consumer of gold. Rupee dollar impact on a gold. Considering the fact that a majority of a physical gold is imported, there will be an appreciation in the price of a gold in rupee term. If the rupee weakens against the dollar, this is a depreciating rupees could hurt the demand for gold in India.